Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Deidre Nicole if you're new here, and in today's video I will be creating I will be doing my personal makeup routine. Let's get into the foundation. Now, I have purchased this e.l.f. liquid foundation, and I also have this Fit Me that I will be using. But the Fit Me is kind of too dark, so what I do when my makeup is too dark, I add some white face primer to kind of brighten up the color. So that's what I will do now. Oh, that's too much makeup. That's too much. So, and then I will just put it on the back of my hand and put some white up in there. Guys, do not put so much white because it's gonna really lighten it up too much. So just put enough and mix it in like that, and then I just dip it on my skin. And then that is that. And then for a little glow, I'm just going to use just a little bit. Just a little bit. So that is that. Always have some makeup remover on hand. I love this beauty blender. I had purchased this from Target and it was $5, I believe. It's really big and it just get the job done. So I just bounce it onto the skin. Okay, now the foundation is on, and what I like to use for my concealer, where did it go, is the e.l.f. If you guys can see that, but it's the e.l.f. kind. And I also use this one. This is a lighter color. I don't know if you guys can see that. And then I just take the lighter one and kind of mix it. A smaller blender, kind of pinch it like this to get a better grip of tapping it in on your face. Now, I don't know if it's picking up on camera, but the harsh lines you see, like right up here, I just use my bluffing brush and I just gently tap to remove those harsh lines, to kind of blend it seamlessly into the skin. So I just want to tap. like that. So I just blended that in. Now for contour. This is so old, but this is what I use for my contouring. It's medium to dark. I just put it on my contour brush and I just line it up with my ear like that. Bring it a little bit, and then I just go around my forehead. This side be kind of hard. So yeah. Now, I still don't know what I like better for my blush, but I found this Wet n Wild. I just put a little bit on there and I'm just gonna blend it in to the skin, something like that, just to give it a little color. I don't know if it's picking up on camera, but it's super light. So we're gonna go in with a little bit of this powder blush. So with that, I go back in with my bluffing brush and blend everything in. So now that the blush is on, I'm gonna go in with my setting powder and tap the excess hair. Tap the excess powder off. I'm not letting anything bake. I'm just going right in and pressing it in. So you just put your, and tapping it. You just yeah, you just go in and tap it wherever you put your concealer at. So now that that is done, what I like to do, I'm still getting into eyeshadows, so bear with me. But what I do for eyeshadow, I just do a really basic, simple color. But I go in with a little concealer to bounce the color off a little better. But I'm going to use this Fenty concealer, just a tad bit, just a little tap. Look, it got on my little eyelash. And then I just go blend. I really don't contour my nose. My nose is what it is. I'm not gonna make my nose skinnier. Y'all, before you put your foundation on, make sure you put a primer on. I didn't even put a primer on, but this is the primer that I use, this e.l.f. gripper primer. Why so many steps to makeup? Using this Juvia's Place, and the colors I'm going to use is this brown right here, super neutral. It just gets the job done. Y'all, when I used to do my makeup, I used to just go back and forth. I'm like, why the color not picking up? I wasn't using no primer. Now I just tap it in and then the color will show up. Super neutral. So we're just gonna tap that on there on our eye, put in the corner. Again, this is just how I do my makeup. Everyone do things their own way, and this is my way. This is the right way for me, but I'm still learning. I'm not gonna stop learning. Okay, so now that all the eyeshadow is on, I take this brush. I don't know where this brush is from. I don't know. And then I go back and forth, and I'm not so heavy with it. I have my hand at the tip, and then you want to gently go back and forth. Gently go back and forth. And that's really it on my eyes. I go back in on the same palette and I use the light glitter one, and I put it in the inner corner of my eyes. Okay, so now that we have that on the eyes, let's go in with this. Now I had got this, what is this called?
That's a lip?
No, it's not for lips. For your eyes. And it's the thinner one.
Mommy.
A little bit on there. Now for lips, I wipe off the Vaseline that I put on my lips. I go in with this lip liner and I just put it on my lip. Bottom. And I take my hand and I just blend it in to get rid of those harsh lines. A little light. Go like that. And then I go in with this Morphe color. Can you see it? And then I go in with setting spray. This is a Morphe setting spray. And I just give that a... Y'all, this is my first time using this. I just bought this. So we're gonna see what it do. Wraps up my makeup routine. I hope to see you all in my next video. If you have not already, make sure you subscribe and like this video, and I will see you all soon. Bye bye.